The Rize Cat Loc cable hanging system allows you to hang light fixtures and lightweight equipment from a horizontal cable when no adequate overhead anchor points are available. Attach each end of the RWC6 cable with the Rize SKL 200 Security Quick Lock. The Cat Loc fits over the RWC6 cable and tightens into place with a set screw and lock nut. This is easily repositioned by loosening and retightening them. The Rize Cat Loc cable system has a safe working load of 75 pounds per drop and 220 pounds per horizontal cable. Thank you for choosing Rize.